Ba-da-da-da. Once you've collected a list of, say, 1,000 keywords, you're going to want to organize them into categories. And to do that, we're going to upload our Excel spreadsheet of millions of keywords, maybe not that many, to Google Keyword Planner, and you're going to get two items, the monthly search volume and the competition for each word. Now, after you download this data, we're going to sort it out even more so you can figure out the intent of each search term and whether it's high, medium, or low value to you. This is actually the method the authors of The Art of SEO recommend. You can see the chart they have in their book on the screen. Now, they use three categories: information, navigation, and transaction. Now, most searches are in the first category. Navigation is kind of like directions and places. And transactional searches are when somebody is looking to buy something. Of course, everybody wants to appear in the search results for the transaction category, but most people are going to research first with an informational search, find out what the right product or service is for them, and then they're going to make a purchase, oftentimes with the business or person that gave them the information they needed to make that decision. Taking a customer by the hand through 2-3 posts with nothing but good information creates the trust that a lot of people need before they buy something. According to a study by CY, 50% of people take more than an hour to make a purchase, while 30% take more than 24 hours. That's why businesses with blogs see much higher traffic and sales, as you can see from the chart on the screen. So you want to create a natural path for your customers from information to purchase. For our bicycle business, this likely means pages with articles about several of the topics we found in our keyword research. An article on bike safety, for example, could have a tastefully inserted link to a page in your site selling helmets or knee pads, or a link to another page where you review several brands of helmets with prices, durability, customer comments, etc. And each of those helmets then has a link to the purchase page on your site, or an affiliate link to a site that sells that brand. Alternatively, with a service business, you could lead people to the free quote or consultation portion of your site. You know, most businesses are so anxious to make a sale that they only include the manufacturer's information on the product page. And then you have people who run purely informational blogs, and they don't realize the potential of the information they're giving out. You want to be both. You want pages with tons of valuable material that nonchalantly lead the reader to your so-called money pages. You're not pushing them to make a sale, you're merely letting them get comfortable. You know what I mean? Have a seat, here's some wine. Check out this article on cars. Would you like another glass? Oh, you like Toyotas? Oh, here's another article for you. Wow, this is exactly what I'm looking for. That's so funny. I happen to sell that product. You know what I mean? But that's how it works in real life. If you know, for example, a real estate agent personally, maybe he or she's a neighbor, that's who you call when you're ready to move because you know them and trust them and you've heard them give you good information on real estate. So you have to start thinking about the internet as just a digitized version of the real world. Human nature is the same whether you can see the other person or not. Anyway, so that's my philosophy on internet marketing, life, and selling in general. Go ahead and click on the next video, and I'm actually going to show you how to organize the keywords that you collected into different categories and help you get a better idea of what to include posts on and how to get them to lead to a purchase.